I am Father Stephen. Before Future Pump, generally we were not really utilizing our small garden here. We were basically depending on the rain. We were basically waiting for the rains. So during the hot season, we were not really having any vegetables here. We are happy that we were able to invest in the pump. For the past 1 year, we have produced, about 3 times, the pump just in about 1 year. The greatest benefit is that we do not buy vegetables during the hot weather. We have sukuma wiki, we have maize, we have down here we have green pepper, we have lettuce, we have tomatoes over there. So we have saved a lot generally when I compare now this year with last year during the same time. So we are happy with the Future Pump, and we recommend it for many other people that you may reach out to.